Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use GitHub bots from GitHub. And basically you need just to make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing would be is just to search for any bot project, and basically you can find many from just type GitHub bot from your search engine and you will find many bot projects. And as you can see, there is this Google API, etc. And then all you need to do is just like to follow the instruction of the developer. So for example, this is a Probot project from this repository here. And basically here we can find the Probot README, and README is like just the documentation, and it will show you exactly, or it will show you but in details how to use this bot. And basically this would apply for any bot projects, and we can find many. So as you can see, we can choose whatever, for example this one. And from here, if we go to the readme again, you will find just many projects, and you will have also the explanation how to use these projects. So as you can see here, you will need just to follow on this instruction. So before you start, you can just contribute, roadmap, open source participation, etc. And here, how we can build in a Probot app. So basically, you can just go here and it will start taking us to the documentation, and from here you can start uh, using the app. So first you will be needing uh, to clone, for example, the project. You can simply clone it or fork it so you can get it, and basically from there you will be able to start using. And as you can see, you will be needing just to run in this project after getting the source code, and then you will be able to start using this bot. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.